Welcome to the Natural Wigs Store and Merge Toppers. Hi, my name is Leslie Diana and I'm the owner of the Natural Wigs Store and the creator of Merge Toppers. First of all, I want to welcome you. Whether you're dealing with hair loss from alopecia, chemotherapy, stress, or surgery, this site was built for you. You'll see real customer photos, videos, transformation stories. You'll also find some of our newest collections of Merge Toppers. And these toppers are lightweight, breathable, and made to blend seamlessly with your natural hair. Because sometimes you don't have to share your pain. You can merge it instead. I want you to take a look around. We're adding new wigs and toppers every week. And before you go, make sure you subscribe if you're watching this from YouTube. And drop a comment to say, hey, Leslie, I subscribed. So we can shout you out on our YouTube and our live shows. Now, Natural Wigs is more than a store. It's a confidence movement. And I want to say, welcome.